Adding an electric log fireplace insert is the best way to add a traditional warm fireplace log experience to your living room or bedroom without going through the trouble and expense of installing, cleaning, and maintaining a real wood-burning unit. Many products are available from Electric Fireplace Log, each with several characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a knowledgeable decision. I researched comprehensively, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric fireplace log from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. Check my description if you want to know about the price and other information. So, without further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best electric fireplace log. Number 1. R.W.FLAME Electric Fireplace 50-inch Recessed. R.W.FLAME's electric fireplace insert can be manipulated to look how you want. You can change the colors of the fire and the fire bed, as well as the intensity and brightness of the flames themselves. You can also utilize a timer to turn it off. It can be installed recessed into your wall or wall-mounted. You can control the fireplace by using the touchscreen controls that are on the unit itself or the remote that comes with it. R.W.FLAME says that it also has a safety feature that's meant to turn off the device if it ever goes above the temperature it is supposed to be. In terms of heat, it's said to be able to heat a standard room up to 400 square feet. Because of the size of this unit, it's better to install this on a wall than install it in a traditional fireplace. Number 2. TURBRO Eternal Flame EF23 LG Electric Fireplace Logs. Our final selection is the TURBRO Eternal Flame EF23 PB Electric Fireplace Logs, which provides hassle-free heat thanks to its natural crackling sound and ability to emit light and heat without the high maintenance that comes with traditional fireplaces. The realistic flames have 3 adjustable brightness levels, which means that you can control how much light and heat is emitted depending on personal preference while still looking natural at all times. This log set is incredibly easy to use and install thanks to the adjustable thermostat and simplified control panel that is included with this product. The remote control allows you to adjust the heat and light from the comfort of your seat, making it highly convenient for those who don't want to tend to their fire on their hands and knees. The overheat protection means that the log set will switch off as soon as the internal temperature reaches a certain point, making it extremely safe to use. Number 3. Touchstone 8000 for the Sideline Electric Fireplace. Touchstone produces larger types of electric fireplace inserts. At 50 inches wide, this electric fireplace insert is meant to be recessed into a wall. It comes with a log set and crystals, which can be swapped out at any time, so you can decide whichever medium you like best. We did find it a little difficult to remove the glass pane and swap the medium, though, says Rachel Rothman, Executive Technical Director at the Good Housekeeping Institute. You can change the brightness of the flames, which vary in 3 ways. The colors of the flames can either be orange, blue, or a combination of the two. The heat varies from 68 to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, and at any point if it gets higher than 88 it will automatically shut off to prevent any electrical or overheating issues. Number 4. VIVOHOME 23-inch 110V 1400W Portable Electric Fireplace Insert Log. Our third choice is the VIVOHOME 110V Electric Fireplace Insert Log Quartz, which has a realistic 3D flame effect that adds to the ambience of any room while the flames appear orange and red to provide a traditional-looking fire without the worries of spitting embers or high maintenance. This log set comes with an adjustable fan heater that helps to control the air humidity and temperature with ease. This log set is great thanks to its classic design, which makes it ideal for those who want to replicate a traditional fireplace without the hassle that comes with them. It comes with plenty of safety features, including an overheating automatic shutdown function which prevents the chances of overheating, especially if you accidentally leave it on overnight. Number 5. Dimplex DFI Series 23-inch Standard Log Set Electric Fireplace. The DF2309 is one of the cheapest and most popular Dimplex fireplace inserts today. While some of their electric fireplaces insert retail for almost $2,000, this unit can be found online for less than $200. That's due to its lack of Optimus technology. But the DFI 2309 does not compromise on quality or function. This compact, 23.2 inches width, unit still packs a punch. It's one of the best bargains around and one of the highest rated units for sale, which explains its popularity. Just insert it into your existing fireplace, and you are good to go. Like many other fireplaces, you can also install them in recessed cabinet space. For power, just plug it into a standard household socket. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. If you need any more valuable information or if you want to know product's original price, do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime further. Stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.